Yo, what's up guys? So here's the second video. Looks like I'm actually gonna try to make some more videos than just one this time. So today we're off to Animal Auto to do some maintenance on the R33. And then also it's the first mod on the R33, which I'm pretty excited about. Started off the morning not like I wanted to. Basically the R33 was dead. I don't know, I think the battery is just old and weak. So we had to jump start it with the E46 M3 and it's good now, but we're running a little late now. Yeah, I'll tell you guys more about it on the drive over or maybe once we get there. So I'll see you guys right now. All right guys, we're good to go. Like I said in the last clip, had to jump start the GTR with the E46. I think it just has an old battery. You know, these old JDM cars, there's always something. There's always something. Letting it warm up. Then we're gonna go pick up Raul. We're gonna head over to Fontana on Nissan to pick up maintenance items like the timing belt, water pump, tensioners, all that good stuff. And then I don't know if you guys can see, but in the back right there, that's the first mod, which we're gonna try to do today while Raul does all the maintenance on the car. I'm excited. I already have some more parts on the way, so expect a couple of videos on this car within the next, couple days or weeks. I also want to do a driving review on this thing before I sell it, because this car is so good. I'm so sad it's gonna have to go, but we'll try to make some content with it before it's gone. All right, next stop, Raul's house. All right guys, we're at Raul's house. I'm going to really quickly show you guys his S14. Those of you that follow me on IG have probably seen this car before on my story. It's in RB25 swapped S14. This thing's probably making around like 500. This thing is quick and it's so much fun. Let's just look at it. This thing is an awesome car. And Raul, of course, I'll leave his IG down in the description. He's the one who always does maintenance and work on all my cars. And this is one of his cars. He has a couple more, but this is like his car that he's had forever. All right, let's take off, guys. So now we're at Fontana Nissan. We pulled up. We got some parts that we needed for the maintenance, like the water pump, the timing belt, the tensioners. They also had some like little extra parts that I wanted to get, like the skirting drain plug. And then another cool part we picked up is this Nismo like shift knob. So we're gonna start cleaning this thing up. And then we forgot that the battery was low and we took some time in there, so now the car won't start. So we're gonna go ask inside to see if they can let us borrow like the jumper box or something. Yeah, at least the purple looks sick. But yeah, it's kind of embarrassing, but at least we're at the Nissan dealership, so won't be stranded. Next stop, Animal Auto, guys. We have this Mosey. Honestly, seems pretty nice. See how much they want for it. So that's the MSRP. 10K markup. Auto. We're at the shop, guys. I need to start recording more. I always forget to just pull out the freaking camera and start recording. We have my car here. We're letting the engine cool down so we can start on it. This is the homie Krim. He just pulled up for some stuff. He has a red R32 and he has two 300ZXs. One's like RB30 swapped. And these are two of the cars at Animal right now, both R32 GTRs. Yeah, I think both of them are built and stuff. I don't know the details. They sounded sick right now that we moved them around. We're always finishing up some stuff on his car right now, and then we're gonna start on the purple Barney Mobile. I guess right now while he does that, I'm gonna pull out this box and show you guys what the first mod's gonna be officially. So yeah, I'm sure you guys already probably guessed it just by looking at that box. But I don't even know if I showed you guys the engine bay the other day. I don't think I did, but here it is. It's fully stock. It has these weird M's, old school filters, but besides that, it's fully stock. AC works though, and things looking pretty nice. We're probably gonna delete the windshield wiper fluid reservoir and stuff, but front diff cover super clean. I can still see some of the zinc plating on the fuel rail. So it's a clean one, that's for sure. right now I'll get that box out and show you guys what's in there. So here it is. I don't know how many of you guys guessed it, but we got a Tomei. So this is gonna be like the first mod. Like I said, right now we're gonna do timing belt, water pump, all the maintenance, check it out. But yeah, this is the first official mod. So yeah, dude, we're YouTubing. We're YouTubing. Here it is. Is that a Tomei fool? As Kicks would say. The Tomei I got in my R32 was actually used, so I never even got to unbox it. This thing's looking fresh. Titanium. Best bang for the buck exhaust on the market, for sure. I'll unbox it, get it out, and show you guys how it looks. And then, funny enough, my tuner, let me see if I can find it. He had this, which is the cat delete test pipe, whatever, and it's also a Tomei titanium one. It's used, but I think we're gonna pick it up and just throw it on there to get rid of the cats, or the cat, I should say. It is now unboxed, and damn, this thing looks good. Sheesh. But honestly, can't go wrong with this exhaust. It might be a little loud, especially if we do the cat delete or the test pipe, but we're gonna send it into GTR, so why not? Pretty good. Here's the box with like the hardware and stuff. Has like new gasket, some bolts, the hanger clamps and stuff. This is for the actual muffler. Yeah, I think it's gonna look sick. I feel like the burnt titanium is gonna look super good with the midnight purple. Right now the car's in the shade, so you can't see the color. But just to give you an idea, look at that stock exhaust. Like, that's crazy. Yeah, and it's gonna be a decent weight reduction. But yeah, we'll see how the install goes. We haven't even started yet, but next up is tear down all this. Radiators coming out, tear down everything for timing belt, the water pump, and then some seals and some other little things that we're gonna do. It's up on the lift now. Roll's gonna start taking everything off. All right, we're just draining. We're gonna take everything apart. So radiator has to come out, everything. We need access to the entire front of the engine. This thing looks pretty good. I can't wait till I get the wheels on because it looks like a Hot Wheels right now. All right, guys. Next up is remove the crank bolt, right? Yeah. The crank bolt, the pulley. But first, taco brake with the little logo spot. So after some tacos, we'll see if we can get it out. Or Roll can get it out. Radiator's out. Clutch fan. Making good progress. All right, another update. Timing belt is off. Everything's starting to open up. Take a look at this timing belt. See if we can get it to focus. That's not good. It was ready to snap any second. One, two.
Hey, it's moving. It's moving. It's moving, dude.
All right, let me get in there real quick.
Don't stop.
Oh, don't stop.
Don't stop. It definitely moved. Here we go. Hold on, hold on. God, dude. It definitely moved, though. Look how much we moved, bro.
Dude, why is it so random?
All right, so some of the top turbo piping's off. The valve covers are gonna come off. Definitely the homie Crim said stock turbos. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad, nice and clean. All right, so valve covers are off. Roll said it's disgusting in there, so. He says the previous owner probably changed the oil every 10,000 miles. So yeah, we're gonna give it a fresh oil change and it should be good. No aftermarket cams, unfortunately. Stockies. All right, let's keep going. So we're draining all the coolant. Old pump is out. New pump going in. Also, we're probably gonna do a full exhaust on the car since they also had downpipes here, so, or a downpipe technically. So we're probably gonna do downpipe too. So yeah, we're just gonna wait for this to drain, install the new pump, and then timing belt and tensioner is gonna go back on. The downpipe section is off. So here you can see the stock one. Super restrictive, super small. And then shout out to my sponsor, Andrew Molina, for hooking it up here. He had these laying around at the shop. So this is like an HKS downpipe. I mean, you guess you can call them downpipes, but they merge into one. But it just flows better. Another thing is this is equal length. So this bend right here makes it equal length. I think it's either for better flow. Or it just sounds better. One of the two. But yeah, so we're gonna have a full exhaust. We have that. We have the Tomei. And then we have the Tomei titanium test pipe. The car's gonna have a full exhaust. I mean, the test pipe and the down pipes are used, but the Tomei is new. Should sound pretty good. All right, so on the right, we have the stock exhaust. That's the down pipes. We have the cat, the midsection, then to the muffler. I don't know, what do you think it weighs? Like solid 50 pounds?
About, yeah.
Probably around 50 pounds. Then over here we have the new exhaust. So we have the HKS downpipes down to the Tomei titanium test pipe, and then the Tomei titanium catback. So I don't know, this thing weighs a lot less. The only thing that's a little heavy is the HKS downpipes because those are steel, but everything else is titanium. So plus it's probably just gonna sound way better, which is what we care about, the noise. We're gonna throw this thing on.
Bro, we should probably move that old exhaust out of the way.
See.
Thing's looking ugly.
I know, right?
Bro, do you know what you're doing?
Bro, you don't.
Then,
Bro, where's the YouTube tutorial?
YouTube tutorial.
We'll just adjust it once it's on the car, right?
Yeah. Hey, low key, bro. Yeah, assemble it on the ground. Even the bolt on top, dude.
Oh, the clamp.
I put it on.
Oh, sick. Thank you.
The exhaust is fully on. Lines up really nice. Like I said, full exhaust. Super clean. I'll show you guys more tomorrow in the daylight. It's gonna look sick. We're gonna finish up the oil change. This thing is still dripping. Here, we're gonna use this Gretty magnetic plug just to see if there's any shavings or anything, but should be fine. Looks pretty clean. It is now 9 p.m. A little bit after 9, actually, like 9:30, I'm not sure, but oil's in. We just have to bleed the coolant. Stock exhaust is right there. Should be done. We got timing belt, water pump, a couple of the seals in the front. We did the full exhaust, oil change, coolant flush. Looked over some things. Car should be ready to drive and enjoy it for a little bit. We'll see how it sounds, and then I have another mod coming in tomorrow. Actually, no, you guys already know about the T37s, but I have my tires that I ordered coming in tomorrow, so we're gonna get those mounted and balanced. All right, it's pretty much done. We're always bleeding the coolant system. Oil's in. Let's take a little here of the Tomei. It honestly sounds good. It's not too loud. We'll see right now when we drive it. It took all day, but we got everything done. We should be ready to drive around. Here we go, filming another outro from my room. The other day when we were getting this done, it just started getting late. I started filming less and less, and I just forgot to film an outro. I need to get better at it, and I will. There is a couple more videos on the way for the R33. I got the wheels and tires balanced, which is gonna be in the next video, as well as the next mod. Should be both those videos. I also need to start freshening up the interior, doing more things to it, and we'll start driving it. That's the point, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed the vid regardless, and kind of got an insight at GTR maintenance. A lot of people get these cars straight from Japan, and this is one of the first things you need to do. You need to tear it down, take a look at what you're working with, and fix some things. My first R32 GTR, when I got it, I skipped out on maintenance, and I blew an RB26 within like the first 3,000 miles. So we're gonna make sure to not do that again. I'll catch you guys on the next video.